Did you know that nearly 70% of people neglect calf raises in their regular workout routines? Despite being a simple and effective exercise, calf raises are often overlooked in favor of more popular leg exercises like squats and lunges. However, this seemingly small move offers a surprising range of benefits, from strengthening your lower body to improving your athletic performance and posture. If you're among the majority skipping calf raises, it's time to reconsider. What are calf raises? Calf raises are a simple, low-impact exercise that targets the muscles in the lower leg, specifically the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. These muscles are crucial for basic movements like walking, running, and jumping, as they help lift your heels off the ground. To perform a calf raise, all you need to do is rise onto the balls of your feet, pause for a moment, and then lower your heels back down. While the movement is simple, calf raises pack a powerful punch when it comes to building strength and stability in the lower legs. Whether you perform them on flat ground, a step, or using weights, calf raises can be easily adapted to your fitness level and goals. Why do so many people skip calf raises? One reason calf raises are often neglected is that many people focus on the larger muscle groups in the legs, such as the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, during their workouts. Squats, lunges, and deadlifts are considered more comprehensive lower body exercises, and they do work the calves to some extent. However, they don't isolate the calf muscles like calf raises do, which means those muscles may not get enough attention. Another reason is that the calves are often seen as a smaller, less glamorous muscle group. People may not realize the importance of calf strength and stability for overall lower body health and performance. Plus, weak or underdeveloped calves can lead to issues like shin splints, Achilles tendonitis, and ankle injuries, especially for runners and athletes. The surprising benefits of calf raises. Now that you know why calf raises are often skipped, let's dive into the incredible benefits they offer when you start incorporating them into your routine. Improved lower body strength and power. The calf muscles are responsible for propelling your body forward during walking, running, and jumping. Strengthening these muscles through calf raises improves your ability to push off the ground, which translates into better performance in activities like sprinting and vertical jumps. Even for non-athletes, stronger calves enhance your ability to climb stairs, carry heavy loads, and maintain balance during everyday tasks. Enhanced ankle stability and injury prevention. Weak calves can compromise ankle stability, making you more prone to injuries like sprained ankles. Since calf raises strengthen both the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles, they help stabilize the ankle joint, which is crucial for balance and coordination. Improved posture and walking mechanics. Your calf muscles play a significant role in maintaining proper posture and walking mechanics. When these muscles are weak, it can lead to improper foot alignment, which may cause issues like flat feet or overpronation. These problems can cascade into larger issues, including knee, hip, and back pain. By strengthening the calves through regular calf raises, you support the natural arch of your feet, which can correct alignment issues and improve your posture. Better posture not only reduces the risk of injury, but also boosts your confidence and overall well-being. How to incorporate calf raises into your routine. One of the best things about calf raises is their versatility. You can do them virtually anywhere, with or without equipment. Start with simple bodyweight calf raises, and as you get stronger, consider adding weights by holding dumbbells or using a barbell. For an extra challenge, perform single-leg calf raises, or do them on an elevated surface to increase the range of motion. Try adding calf raises to your leg day routine or even as part of a quick daily exercise session. Just 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps a few times a week can significantly strengthen your calves and offer long-term benefits. While calf raises may seem like a minor addition to your workout routine, the benefits they offer are anything but small. So next time you hit the gym or work out at home, don't forget to give your calves the attention they deserve. You'll be surprised at the difference a few minutes of calf raises can make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.